Hello everyone, my name is Jatin Dalawat and this video is about open sex trafficking in India. This is a pedophile racket that is being run by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. These are Indian policemen who are working in this racket. These are Indian government criminals, and while I'm recording the video, these criminals have kept me awake for last 30 hours, and not even the 30 hours. These criminals have kept me awake for more than 45 hours if I have to be honest. These criminals did not let me sleep whole night long. I was passed out. I was passed out because of being awake for more than 30 continuous hours. And these Indian pedophiles constantly shockwaving my brain, constantly torturing me. These are Indian males and Indian females who are keeping me awake to extract consent for illegal human experimentation to sex traffic me. These criminals, these Indian motherfucking criminals attacking my brainstem, my medulla oblongata. These criminals are trying to kill my dopamine brain cells so that these motherfucking Indian criminals can make me a drug addict. These criminals do not let me sleep until they are able to force me to smoke cigarette, and this is happening in broad daylight in this country, in India. There is not even one law that I can use for my protection. I have reached Supreme Court. I have reached, you can say, numerous police. I have filed numerous police complaints, but Indian police itself is involved in this crime. These motherfuckers constantly force me to watch porn, masturbate. Right now, I did not watch porn, and these motherfuckers kept me awake from my sleep. Right now, increasing my blood pressure, continuously barking. These motherfucking Indian criminals to make me watch porn, to make me sexually active. These motherfuckers do not let me sleep for like it has been more than 1 year. These motherfuckers are constantly attacking my brainstem to murder me, and this is happening in broad daylight in India right now. There are Indian civilians outside my window who are constantly making hammer sound, running machines, you know and there is no reason to do that, but they are doing it to support these motherfucking pedophiles. Those are Indian civilians, and it is happening in broad daylight in India. Please, in the name of Christ, you have my permission. Report these motherfuckers. Rape. Get these motherfuckers killed. Get these motherfuckers. Worst thing happened to these motherfuckers. These motherfuckers should be burnt alive if that is possible. These motherfuckers should be killed. These motherfuckers should be fucked in front of the whole world. These motherfuckers torture me so inhumanly that you will not even imagine that these motherfuckers are doing this in broad daylight in India, and there is not even one law. There is not even one law in this country.